Okay, so here I am at my favorite little shop. I've been getting my oil changed. Here comes my car. They're pulling it in for me. And these guys are great for service. I brought in my own oil and my own filter, so hopefully the charge will only be about 30 bucks, right? How you doing? There she goes, got my own oil, my own filter.
Where's
Something was leaking. Yeah, there it is.
在哪呢？放个螺丝呢？这
You know what that is? Is that the part of the transmission or what?
No.
No?
There we go.
Great, this thing here.
Oil filter.
Oil filter leaking a little bit?
Yeah, you can see.
Oh, I see. Yeah, there it is.
Probably.
Okay, I'll just wipe it off then, I guess.
Yeah, next time. Lâu ghê. 这是啥嘞？这有啥漏的吗？对。哦。像。啊。把上面那个冷冻的都拿过来了，哎，哪一个不太好？有一个是不太好，有一扣不太好，但是也能拧。你要手带不进去，它就跟这都帮你带。
So back in the front office here, where I pay the man. And you can see he's quite organized. Place H&S exhaust and Auto Master full service. Recommend these guys. Very reasonably priced. Right here on 40th, I think it is 40th Avenue, Northeast in Calgary. On a beautiful September day, so I got my oil change done before winter, which is great. And I think he's coming by to drop it off. Where is he? Wait. There he is. My freshly changed oil. Thank you very much.